Okay, now we need to know how to rationalize denominators, but not just the way we just did, right? We just did this one, okay? It's a different strategy if you're presented with a denominator like this, right? This is a binomial radical expression, right? It's two terms, that's binomial. It's a radical expression because it's got a square root of 2. What do we multiply by in that case? No. What did you call it? The conjugate, right? You have to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. What is the conjugate of 1 minus the square root of 2? 1 plus the square root of 2, right? So you got to do times 1 plus the square root of 2, and of course it's got to be 1 plus the square root of 2 divided by itself so that it's equal to 1. And now you multiply. And just notice that the process when you multiply two binomial radical expressions is FOIL, as always. Right? If I do the numerator, I get 1 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3, and then the square root of 3 times the square root of 2 plus the square root of 6. In the denominator, right, you get the 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 2. And then 1 times negative square root of 2 is negative square root of 2. They cancel. The middle two terms always cancel. And the last term, square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So minus 2. So if you multiply by the conjugate, it gets rid of the radical. That's the strategy.